Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm sharing a delicious and easy breakfast recipe that's perfect for busy mornings. Overnight steel-cut oats. Overnight oats are a lifesaver for anyone who wants a healthy and nutritious breakfast without spending a lot of time in the kitchen. You simply combine all the ingredients in a jar the night before, and in the morning, you have a delicious and filling breakfast ready to go. Steel-cut oats are a great source of fiber and complex carbohydrates, which will keep you feeling full and energized all morning long. They're also a good source of vitamins and minerals, making them a nutritious choice for people of all ages. In this video, I'll show you how to make a basic overnight steel-cut oats recipe. I'll also share some tips and variations so you can customize this recipe to your liking. Ingredients: 1/2 cup steel-cut oats, 1 cup milk, dairy or non-dairy, 1/4 cup yogurt, optional, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 1/2 teaspoon honey or maple syrup, optional, 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon, pinch of salt. Toppings of your choice: fruit, nuts, seeds, granola, etc. Instructions: in a mason jar or container, combine the steel-cut oats, milk, yogurt, if using, chia seeds, honey or maple syrup, if using, cinnamon, and salt. Stir well to combine. Cover the jar and refrigerate for at least 8 hours, or overnight. In the morning, give the oats a good stir. Top with your favorite toppings and enjoy. Tips: you can use any type of milk you like, such as dairy milk, almond milk, soy milk, or coconut milk. If you don't have yogurt, you can leave it out. However, the yogurt will make the oats creamier. If you like your oats sweeter, you can add more honey or maple syrup to taste. You can also add other spices to your oats, such as nutmeg, ginger, or cardamom. For a fun twist, try adding some cocoa powder or peanut butter to your oats. Get creative with your toppings. Some of my favorite toppings include fresh fruit, nuts, seeds, granola, and nut butter. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this recipe for overnight steel-cut oats. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more easy and delicious recipes. I'd love to hear your feedback on this recipe. What are your favorite overnight steel-cut oats toppings? Leave a comment below and let me know. Until next time, happy cooking! Like and subscribe for more recipe videos. Leave a comment below with your favorite overnight steel-cut oats toppings. Share this video with your friends and family.